Hey guys, welcome back once again to another video. Today I am here with you guys because I want to help you this holiday season. In today's video, I'm basically going to list around 50 to 60 holiday gift ideas that you can give to him or to her. And by him and to her, I don't necessarily mean a boyfriend specifically. It can mean brother, your uncle, your dad, your boyfriend, and for her, your mom, your grandmother, your sister, your girlfriend, just like him and her in general. So I really hope that this video is really helpful for you this season. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you all to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Without further ado, let's just get into this Christmas/holiday gift guide. So basically, I have a whole list here on my phone of things that I want to tell you guys. So if you catch me looking at my phone, it's because the gift ideas are right here. But let's get started with the her section of this video. The first gift idea is a Victoria's Secret holiday set. These sets usually contain perfumes, like a whole set of perfumes, maybe 2, maybe 3 or 4. And sometimes it also contains like holiday pajamas. The second gift idea are basically Bath & Body Works holiday candles. Who doesn't love their house to smell like Christmas every single day? So I just think that gifting that person some holiday candles is literally one of the best things that you could do as a gift. Gift number 3 is the obvious one. You can never go wrong with gift cards. Some of the gift cards that you can get for that person are from Victoria's Secret, from Sephora, from PacSun, from Old Navy, just like really Forever 21, just like really girly and sometimes like expensive kind of gift cards, and they could literally just go and use that money for whatever things that she likes. Gift number 4 are card games. I'm going to show you an example of a perfect card game, which is this one right here. This is a Never Have I Ever card game. And with games like these ones, you could learn so many new things about that person. Gift number 5 are basically the stockings filled with stockings. Gift number 6 are makeup palettes, because who doesn't love a good set of makeup palettes? My favorite ones are the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Jaclyn Hill palette. Get your girl those palettes and she'll love you forever. Gift number 7 are beauty blenders. The original beauty blenders are kind of expensive, just like $20 each the last time I checked. So having someone gift you them is like not having to spend $20 on your beauty blender and have someone else spend that money. It's pretty good. It's pretty cool to have someone that does that for you. So that's a great gift idea. Gift idea number 8 are new makeup brushes, because who doesn't love new makeup brushes? Gift number 9 are nail polishes. Number 10 is a skincare kit. There are a lot of different makeup brands that sell you skincare kits, and these kits usually include some face wash, toner, moisturizer, sometimes face masks, so it's a perfect gift. Gift number 11 is a massage appointment. This is like a little extra, but you can like go to a beauty salon or like a massage place and buy your mom, your sister, your girlfriend like an appointment to get a massage in the day that they prefer, and that's a really nice gesture. So I've never had anyone done that for me, but so if you're watching, you can give that to me. A massage is in my bucket list to get a massage. like done by a professional. So the next gift idea is a beauty salon appointment where your girlfriend, your sister, or your mom could get their hair done, like blow dry their hair, get a pedicure, get a manicure, just like all those girly things that will make them feel so special. The next gift idea is a cute little mug like this one, where they could basically drink their hot cocoa during Christmas season. The next gift idea would be a comfy bralette. Next we have a layered necklace, just like a simple little necklace that you can layer with your outfit. That's a good one. Next one is a Pandora charm that will basically remind that person of you. Like if you share an inside joke or like a favorite activity, you can get that charm bracelet or that charm to that person, and that will be a really meaningful gift. Another gift idea are hair products, and by hair products I mean like new shampoos to try, conditioners, leave-ins, hair masks, just like all that type of things. The next gift idea are scrunchies, because who doesn't love a comfy scrunchie? And these ones specifically, these are satin scrunchies, which basically like don't knot my hair now that it's curly. The next gift ideas are some earrings. Another gift idea are cute headsets where that person could listen to their favorite Christmas playlist. Another gift idea is a water bottle like this one. Oops, it was almost gonna fall. But this is like super cute, and that person will literally be motivated to drink out of this cute bottle. So that's a great, healthy gift idea. The other gift idea that I'm going to tell you is really, really meaningful, and it's to get matching tattoos or matching piercings with each other. Another gift idea is a little bit in the expensive side of things. I cannot afford I could not afford this, but I'm just throwing it out to you guys, and it is to get that person a Gucci belt. Gucci belts look totally amazing with any kind of outfit, so you can never go wrong with that one. Another gift idea is to get that person a casual dress. Another gift idea is to gift that person some fuzzy shoes like these ones to be all comfortable during winter time and basically all year round. Another gift idea is a bathrobe. I got this bathrobe like literally 1 year ago, and it's new. I use it almost every single day, and if you're interested, this bathrobe is from Macy's. Next we have the classic chocolates, obviously. Another gift idea is an outfit or treats for that person's dog, because you're gonna be like, oh my god, like you bought a treat or a Christmas outfit for my dog, like that's so sweet, oh my god, even though it's not for me but it's for my little child, so they'll be grateful. Another gift idea are bath bombs, because who doesn't love a relaxing, soothing winter relaxation? I don't even know where I'm going with this. Oh yeah, bath. Another gift idea is to gift them merch from their favorite TV shows, for example like a Riverdale shirt, a Riverdale like keychain, just like all that kind of jazz. Another gift idea is to give that person a pair of fuzzy socks. Next we have a simple wallet. It is basically it's a really usable gift. Like we all need a wallet. Another gift idea is to gift them a journal where they can write their thoughts in the morning, like their New Year resolutions, just anything that they want to write in it. Another gift idea is to get that person an iPhone case. I personally love the OtterBox cases, and you can find them on Amazon. Another gift idea is to gift that person a good book. Next, you can gift that person a makeup storage little box. thing. And last but not least, for that girl portion of the video, is to gift that person some stationaries. And by stationaries, I mean like some cute pens, pencils, tape, just like office things. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only girl that loves to get cute office materials. So that's it for the Christmas gift ideas for her. Now we're going to jump in to the Christmas gift ideas for him. First gift idea that we have is a shaving kit. Next we have a cute shirt. The third thing is some sweatpants. Number 4 are some headphones, because if your boyfriend or sibling or dad is like my boyfriend, he loses his headphones all the time, so just get him some headphones. Gift number 5 is a beanie. Gift number 6 is a video game. 7, a video game console like a Nintendo Switch, a PlayStation, a GameCube. Next we have a wallet, some American Eagle or Calvin Klein underwear. You can never go wrong with Abercrombie and Fitch cologne. If the guy is over a legal age, you can also get him some beer, if he likes it, obviously. Another gift idea is to gift him candy that he likes, like his favorite candies. Next we have a skincare kit. Next we have a gift card from their favorite stores, board games. Next we have musical instruments. You can also get him a pair of his favorite sneakers that he has been eyeing for a long time. Another one are some sunglasses, a baseball hat, some socks, a game controller, and last but not least, a watch. So that is it, guys, for this holiday gift idea guide. I really hope that it was helpful for each and every one of you. If you have any other gift ideas that you would love to share with me and our community, please make sure to comment them down below. And before you go, guys, make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I also encourage you to go follow me on Instagram if you would like to see more about my day-to-day life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!